इवेंट बहुत लेट हो गया है, जाओ सब स्टार्ट कर जाओ ना बाहर, वहाँ हल्दी गर्मी और थकान और इसको स्टार्ट करना है वरना कॉकटेल लेट हो जाएगी। नॉट रियली सब बहुत लेट चल रहा है बट हो जाए।
She will cry for sure. Yesterday only she cried a lot.
From here on, if she cries, you're dead. You're dead. Where's the camera? There's the camera. She would sleep anywhere but her own bed.
No, I haven't even decided my songs. I have to do that now.
Is this still a trial?
No.
Yes?
No, maybe we'll just. It was never a trial. It was never a trial.
She just wanted to make us comfortable.
ਸ਼ਾਵਾ ਚਰਖਾ ਚੰਨਣ ਦਾ ਇਹ ਵਿਕਦਾ ਏ ਵੱਡੇ ਬਾਜ਼ਾਰ ਚਰਖਾ ਚੰਨਣ ਦਾ ਸ਼ਾਵਾ ਚਰਖਾ ਚੰਨਣ ਦਾ ਆਸੇ ਲਾਵਾਂ ਪਾਸੇ ਲਾਵਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਾਵਾਂ ਕਲੀਆਂ ਆਸੇ ਲਾਵਾਂ ਪਾਸੇ ਲਾਵਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਾਵਾਂ ਕਲੀਆਂ ਜੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਮਾਹੀ ਨਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਢੂੰਡ ਫਿਰਾਂ ਸਭ ਗਲੀਆਂ ਇੱਕ ਮੇਰਾ ਰਾਂਝਣ ਆਇਆ ਸ਼ਾਵਾ ਦਿਲ ਦਾ ਚਾਨਣ ਆਇਆ ਸ਼ਾਵਾ ਦਿਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਸਤੀ ਆਈ ਸ਼ਾਵਾ ਖਿੜ ਖਿੜ ਹਸਤੀ ਆਈ ਸ਼ਾਵਾ ਇੱਕ ਮੇਰਾ ਲਾਲ ਚੁਰਾਇਆ ਸ਼ਾਵਾ ਲਾਲ ਰੁਮਾਲ ਚੁਰਾਇਆ ਸ਼ਾਵਾ ਚਰਖਾ ਚੰਨਣ ਦਾ ਸ਼ਾਵਾ ਚਰਖਾ ਚੰਨਣ ਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਦਾਂ ਪ੍ਰੀਤਾ ਨਾਲ ਚਰਖਾ ਚੰਨਣ ਦਾ ਸ਼ਾਵਾ ਚਰਖਾ ਚੰਨਣ ਦਾ
We don't share if you've seen like our chemistry, there's no romantic chemistry, it's just crazy chemistry. We're always playing around, fighting, teasing. So like I said, there's never a dull moment. So it's just not sinking in, like it's not hitting me that it's finally happening. I just feel like we're all partying and then we'll go back home. I think once I'm there, once it's happening or once it happens, in that moment it'll probably hit me, but right now no. Maybe in a couple of hours.
मैं तेरे नाल तू रवे नाल मेरे तू दिल दे सवारी जावे हाल मेरे मैं दिल च वसाया प्यार तेरा ते आंदे ने बे सानू तां ख्याल तेरे मंगा रब तो भी तेरे लिए दुआवां सोहणिया मैं तैनू इन्ना ज्यादा चाहवां सोहणिया कि चेहरा इन्ना खूब तेरा वारे जावां सोहणिया मैं वारे जावां सोहणिया मैं इन्ना चाहवां सोहणिया तेरी आई जे कदे मैं मर जावां सोहणिया मैं इन्ना चाहवां सोहणिया मैं इन्ना चाहवां सोहणिया
You confuse him.
In a bachelor's, yes.
Very big hand, small hand. What are you doing? Okay. चलो, next, come. सब सही किए. Okay, you're smart.
You're right.
ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੋਣਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਜਿਹਾ ਜੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕੋਲ ਬਿਠਾ ਕੇ ਦੇਖੀ ਜਾਵਾਨੀ
So now it is. So guys, with this.
जे कदे मैं मर जावां सोहणिया मैं इन्ना चाहवां सोहणिया मैं इन्ना चाहवां सोहणिया चेहरा इन्ना खूब तेरा वारे जावां सोहणिया मैं इन्ना चाहवां सोहणिया मैं इन्ना चाहवां सोहणिया
What do I tell? So she's very grounded. She understands me so well. She thinks she is always right, but she isn't. And she's very sweet and she understands people so well. She knows how to get things done.
Satvik he has two personalities, to be very honest. There's this, he's a sweetheart and he has a very, very big heart. He is always giving without any other expectations, and just he has a very calm demeanor. But then also there's this very crazy and a very fun side to him, and he doesn't drink. He doesn't drink, and I don't know how to not drink and party. So he's a very high-spirited person. There's this calm personality to him who's always helping everybody, very sweet, which is why I actually chose him to be my life partner. And then I discovered this side of Satvik, which I'm glad he has. So there's never a dull moment.
There was literally no space to sleep, and she would push me against the wall because my bed was against the wall, and like occupy 75% of my bed and sleep nicely, like owned the bed.
I'll sing to you a lullaby. Let's
So 26 November 2018. So that's when I saw her first. Then that time she was like, "Oh, we can only be friends. Nothing can ever happen." Now we are getting married.
And he had done this setup on the beach, which was very, very beautiful, this private dinner, and those were very beautiful moments, just us by the beach. I think that memory, that night was very precious. We both enjoyed that a lot, and it was just very special, and I knew it, that this is it.
हवा बन के तू आजा मेरे पास ढोलना वे मैं तेरे नाल नहीं बोलना जे आया ना
Our dance performance wasn't ready until we were there. And after sitting on our chairs, that's when we heard the song first. And we just went and danced to both of them.
हवा बन के तू आजा मेरे पास ढोलना वे मैं तेरे नाल नहीं बोलना जे आया ना तू हवा बन के तू आजा
Thoda emotional ho gayi thi. Right, that's his favorite picture actually, and ever since I've put that picture, I had just put it, and this is I think 3-4 years ago. We would speak very less that time. So he suddenly messaged me, "Oh, this picture, I love it." And I can't tell you what he's done with this picture. He sketched it, and there's a cup that has his sketch of this picture. And I actually saw him carrying these blocks on the reception. He said, "No, this is some decor for my puja." But then I said, "No, that is my jacket." And I kind of knew that that's me, that picture is mine. I wasn't so sure, but yes, because he had no time to prepare for anything. I don't know how he managed to pull that off, and that is what, see, I might not do anything, but he will make sure that everything is special for me.
हवा बन के तू आजा मेरे पास ढोलना वे मैं तेरे नाल नहीं बोलना जे आया ना तू हवा बन के तू आजा मेरे पास ढोलना
Nobody can taste the real hustler. Depuis long time yo pas sorti, yo pas arrêté là. We make the boom boom turn up, me not tell no lie. Call me the bad queen coming from Madinina. Anywhere we go we kill, get up shot at 10 pino. Mad thing hot like a gunshot, you know. Combien fesses, combien gal quand on back it up. Give me the boom boom session DJ and mash it up.
Money pull up, action, we are turn it up. Shot around the place and guess who I bring it up. Pull up, hot, 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 yeah we hot, hot. Bad girl there, them a whine it to it up.
Money pull up, pull up.
Can you please make some noise for the sparkles? Come.
So me say wine for me baby, anytime you ready. Bend your back, never get enough and greedy. Now we not care, up inna the ear. Check again, you watch on me waist.
Money pull up, action, we are turn it up.
Are mama.
I think she's gonna look like a dream. Oh god, she'll be a queen.
मंजूर है हर गम दिल को बस ले चल
We really wish you both a great life ahead, and we hope you keep each other happy. Yeah.
चुप चुप से है लेकिन आँखों से कहते हैं सारी
But I can see it in his eyes, right? I read his eyes. He will not say a lot of things, but I can see it in his eyes. So I know he'll be very happy because he wanted this. He wished for this 6 years ago.
Yeah, we share almost everything with each other. So she understands what I say and also what I don't say. So that's the best part. I don't have to tell her like, oh, I'm feeling this, I'm feeling that. She'll understand. She's like, okay, take care. And we both give each other our own space. Even if we fight or even if we are moody, we'll be like silent for a while. Then we'll come back. We'll like gather everything together and we'll come back. Yeah.
And I think today, of course, I'm very happy, I'm very lucky, but his wish is coming true today because he wanted this.
किस दुआ का है करम हुआ वक्त का लेखा जोखा नहीं मेरा इश्क अनंत हुआ
No one particular reason that I can pick. It's just him, and he's perfect for me.
नैनों से बुने हैं किस्से जो इश्क मिला है मेरे
He made me realize he's the one. He understands me very well. With all my flaws, I'm not very adaptive. I don't adapt easily to changes or my surroundings. I'm set in my ways. But he's like water. He'll just flow with it.
लगी दुआ जो हम दो मिले शहद घोला है जैसे बातों में शाम से मट के रातों में प्यार
Just be there for me to lean on you and vice versa, and we'll make it. It's not so difficult.
Let's. I wish they both make us Masi soon, so that we get cute babies.
चेहरा बसा है आँखों में और देखे क्या उतरा है नूर फलक से काशन तेरी पलक से चाहे सुकून है मेरा तेरी एक झलक से तू ही है मेरी दिल लगी तुझसे ही तो बंदगी एक जमसी है दोनों में तेरी सांसें ही मेरी जिंदगी
So I think that's one promise I want to give to him is that I'm there for him.
जब से मिले हैं हम एक दूजे से बनने लगे हैं इश्क के धागों से खींचे भला क्यों तेरी ही राहों में बाहों में निगाहों ने रची कैसी साजिश है ये मिलाने के लिए ये दो दिल हमारे गुजारिश है मेरी कहे सुन रहे तू हर पल मेरे हर पल मेरे है आसरा तू ही मेरा है मिला साथ तेरा है बना तू जो मेरा मितवा
I feel very safe with him. I don't have to worry about anything. I just have to, tell him that, okay, I want this, or can we do this?
Me, along with her and her mother, went to Tirupati. There, actually, the priest thought we are already a couple. So that's when, that's the transition time for in her mind from Satvik being a friend to Satvik being to be husband.
సాత్విక్ కనిపించట్లేదు చూపించు
I was waiting by the window for
She makes a puppy face like this when she wants something. She always does that.